Oh, welcome to the Cooking Channel. Hey man, we're gonna do it today. We're gonna do an old-fashioned favorite that when we used to go camping back in the days. I want to show y'all this here. It's like a barbecue fajita steak beans, and I'm gonna try to do this for the single men, single women. I'm still kind of hold that theme right now. Cause I'm gonna show you the shortcut to do it because I'm gonna use canned beans instead of cooking the beans from scratch. But you still gonna have to put that fajita steak on the grill, and you know that stuff's gonna get really, really tough. But I'm gonna show you how to get it tender. They're gonna be coming apart, and you put in your beans. You talking about a real good meal when you're out there barbecuing and camping with your family and friends. Man, I remember that's back in the days. Well, them old folks used to hit it. Let me show you how them old folks used to hit it. They used to do this here. Ask somebody. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking Generals. Now I'm gonna use this here fajita steak, which you know is skirt steak, pretty tough, especially if you want to barbecue it. And the size 2, I got it on sale as usual. Like I say, there's people like, no, how food got this thing was $18. They marked it down to $11.44. Yeah, it's probably out of date, but hey, a deal is a deal these days. You gotta eat, you gotta eat. And we're gonna use some hot sauce, some get that stuff right there. This one right here, I can't never. But some barbecue sauce, some black pepper, and some Tony. And since we're gonna go this way, we're not gonna cook our beans from scratch. We're just gonna use some pinto beans in the can. We're gonna need an onion and bell pepper, a lemon, and a jalapeno. And also gonna use your foil, because that's how I work my magic to get this tender once I get it smoked. Cooking General, ask somebody. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking General. Now you can see here, I got my lemon cut up, my jalapenos, my bell pepper, and onions. You ain't gotta be all fancy cutting this stuff up. And then I seasoned my meat down. I got it seasoned, and now I got a bit smoking, and you can see. So you let it go like that there. Now we're gonna brown this here, and then when it gets brown, about done, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you what you do after that. Cooking General, ask somebody. Okay, now I'm gonna pull them off the pit. As you can see, it's still kind of moist, rubbery like. That's what you want them like that there. You want them like that there. Now, I'm gonna take these here, I'm gonna cut them up into like fajita, like when you put on fajita. So you're gonna get them cut up, and then come back, I'm gonna show you what to do next. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking General. So now that you got your meat cut up, you wanna get your sauces together. You wanna get this thing here, some barbecue sauce, and some hot sauce. Now you gotta kind of add in, you know, what you want. Everybody know they taste, but you wanna make sure that you cook your lemon, onions, jalapeno, and bell pepper. I got most of them on the bottom because I want that moist, because I'm not gonna add no water to it. So I want them vegetables to steam through it and steam through the top. So I'm finna take in and add these here 3 sauces to it. And then I'm gonna put it back on the pit, but I'm gonna cover it with foil and come back. Oh yeah, and also get them beans warming up because you about ready. Cooking General, ask somebody. Alrighty, I'm finna go ahead and put them in the beans right now. Cooking General's ready, and you look at that, man. You think we got tender? Look at that. See how it just come apart? Look at that. See that? It's just coming apart. Look at that. Breaking off. That's fajita meat. Tender. Skirt steak. Man, I tell you what you have to do. Yeah, you know what you got to do. Ask somebody. Alrighty, there we go. Man, it is time to eat, man. Look at that, man. You got your peppers, your jalapenos, your onions, man, everything, man. And the meat is tender. It's tender. You follow those techniques I showed you, you can get it tender. Man, and you talking about a pretty good meal. Quick, easy. And it's quick and easy. Like I say, use the beans in the can, you know what I'm saying? But you can really do this here another way too. It's some ways I know y'all can use your imagination on it. I'm a general. I just teach basics. You take my basic idea and you take them and turn them to what you want to. Add the stuff you like. Take away the stuff that I put in that you might not like. That's all the part of what cooking is. Man, let's go and conclude this video. Cooking General, ask somebody. Oh, there we go. Man, I told y'all, man, hey, that turned out really good. Man, like I said, it's no single man, single woman. It's a quick way to do it. If you just want to do a little barbecue, don't want to hassle with all that cooking in the kitchen. But hey, now for my subscribers who've been there for a while, we getting back in the kitchen. I'm gonna show y'all some more sophisticated stuff. But you know, I still got to kind of dedicate stuff to the easy. Because you know, cooking is a thing you do, you know what I'm saying? Anybody can cook, you know, ain't everybody gonna be no chef. I ain't no chef. I'm a general. But anyway, man, and then, oh yeah, I got my uncle here now, but he don't want to be on film. He gonna sit there. Now, I know y'all got grandparents. Y'all got some older grandparents or great grandparents or whatever they watching this video. He said I didn't do that dance right. I didn't loop my hips. I got to loop them. So let me see if I can get these boogers to loop. And I want y'all to come and see if I loop them this time. Cooking general. Ask somebody.